Hello guys, we are in MOA. Ay, hindi pala. JR's mentalities. I've been thinking that for a while, but we're in I don't know what kind of SM is this, but it is okay. The view is gorgeous. And I'm riding my car that but a few years ago. Maybe this was but in 2024. What? Is that spelled? One copy. Oh my goodness. You're spinning. You're just cycling, everyone. Ah! Slow down. Sabi ng said the sign.
Sa akin may nakatingin yung camera mo.
Nope.
Masaya?
Yes. Slots available? Nothing. There are no slots available for this. What?
Kami ng puno na.
Ako na kasi.
Sa second floor na lang tayo pa. Where is that? City Center is over there, so we could. What?
San. Dami na sa akin. Grabe.
May parking lang natin dito. Puro lubak yung parking lang. Balik po na sa taas.
Lubak na. Wala. Second floor, maan talaga dito.
Baba tayo.
Second floor.
Floor 2 eh.
O, saan ka?
Third floor ba ka?
Ay,
May spot! I just kidding. I'm just kidding. I'm not gonna say that. What? Ah. Just slow down. Ah! I don't know, I'm just biting my lips.
Ano yung patapos yung resibo sa tapo mo? Ay, dadalhin mo pala yan.
See?
Dating ko na po yan.
Let's go into the bedroom. Where what? Go to the low clip. Wee! Sorry, just kidding. So, my seat is blocked. You will not even see anything over there. Like, it turns up. We turn on the light. What the? Finally, lights. Finally, it just got browned out. Okay.
Asa mo siya pupunta?
It's the third floor, eh? We don't know where to park. What are you looking at? My watch. You need the password first. Huh? Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Fuck. Okay, that's all for. Oh, we're turning backwards. The center is right over there. Okay. I'm gonna go kart. So see you guys in a few minutes or hours. Bye. Okay, just.